This is Flair ZOT 0.7 mechanical pencil. This pencil costs rupees 40. Comes with an extra lead box. In this price point rupees 40 looks like too pricey. Transparent body design and the colors looks fantastic. Glassy clip and the grip part 2 and chrome finish looks fantastic. Looks like a metal pencil but it is all plastic body. Unique design, small eraser at the top. In this price point rupees 40, it is a value for money if they are given an extra scale or extra eraser in the pack. The color of the lead is not very dark, but after the breaking test it performs dark, looking like a premium pencil for those who need a sophisticated and premium looking pencil. Thanks for watching.